and today we're gonna have a room tour of my room. So come on. Here's my room, but first up, I'm gonna get rid of my pictures. So I did this one, these papers, and this one. So let me do not secret. 3, 2, 1. Here's my room. So over here I have my Jack-in-the-Box to put where I put all of my clips and bows. And I have my birthday card that I got from Lola and Lolo. And I have my candy kids, all of my stuff that I needed. And over here is my doll closet. And over here, there's left and chair. Nothing gets by Ruby or chillax. And over here, my nightstand. I put my nightlight, my phone, my trophy, and my jewelry box. And over here, I put all my books that I read. My favorite book is The Secret because you get to flip them, see? Here is more things. I got my picture things, so I can take a picture. I got my awards and my yearbook. See? And over here is my bed. So this is where I sleep. And I have a lot of dolls, so this one is Phoebe, and my girdle, and my baby. And this is my favorite sequiny pillow. It flips into a unicorn. See? See? Rainbow turns into a unicorn, see? Because unicorns like rainbow. Like this. Right here, everyone.
Okay.
And over here, this is where I hang my stuff. I mean, my hat, my scarf, my purse, my camera. And then here is my closet. This is where I put leggings, sleeping bags, my clothes, bags, baby's clothes, and my jacket. Also, junk. And over here, I got a secret bin, which is full of dog clothes and toys. Anyway, over here I got an empty bin that's like kind of with spirit. Uh-oh, I better clean that up. In my bed, I have my jump rope. It's a jump rope. It's kind of curly, as you can know, because it's been curly a lot. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!